Every step of
Guys, fast wait. Relax the body, please. Kambabuzeko before I start speaking. Hi guys, welcome to the jam session every Tuesday at the Uganda National Musicians Federation. Mwawe kujamu munji. Uliwakabi yo. Every time I come to this stage, there's always an artist I'm always listening out for. This woman she's a child. I think, how old are you? 16. She's 15, guys. I I did my first show, and my friends just threw me under the bus. And that's the song I sang. And she sang it better than I sang it. Guys, please show some love to Faith. Praise, praise, praise. All of it is good. Yeah. So I asked Praise to do one more. Who is in charge of the stage today, guys? Am I allowed to do something with her? Okay. She's 15, guys. Do you know what voice she has? You appreciate. Wow, you're amazing. You're blessed by God. I cover you with the precious blood of Jesus. Can we do something together? You're like my child. You're like a baby right now. I love you, Lord, for your mercy never fails me. Oh, my days, I've been held in your hands from the moment that I wake up till I lay my head. I have God. Sing it, go.
You've led me through the fire and the darkness. You hold me like no other. Know you are the Father. I know you are the friend. Of the goodness of God.
Alright, let's go. Sing it, take it away.
All my life you have been faithful.
Yeah.
And all my life you have been so, so good. And every breath that I am,
Oh, I will sing of the goodness. Praise, can I tell you something? His goodness is running after, it's running after you. His goodness is running after, it's running after you. With my life laid down, sing it. Your goodness is running after, it's running after me. How about you say, your goodness is running after, it's running after me. Hey, if you don't believe that, then you don't know what you know. God's goodness is right here, right now. With my life laid down, I surrender now. I'll give you all my life, you have been
all my life you have been so, so good. And every breath that I am,
I will sing of the goodness. Thank you guys. Give it up for Faith, everybody. You guys, we have talent in Uganda. Shine up, sing Omuwala. Shine up, sing up.
hey, hey.
me tell you. Please sing. Sing. Don't stop. Genda ogambe bazadde bo oluyimba. Oyiga okuba engoma eno keyboard, oyiga okuba gitema, oyiga okuba buli kintu. Beera musician, music. You are too good. Your voice, you don't need to be a performer. No. You are beautiful, you have a beautiful smile, you have a beautiful eyes, you have a beautiful everything. You just need to sing and people appreciate. God bless you. May the Almighty see you through. I will always be there to support you. Congratulations.
Hey,